wow, it's so nice. Is it hard plastic? It's so interesting. I ordered Beverage from the Made and Cool, and the good design paper, and we can see is it the hard plastic cup. Even we finish this juice, we can keep it and use it anymore. And see, is it inside? We have one more lid. Oh my god, I cannot open it. Oh no, we don't open it. Just keep like this. We keep like this, and then we use straw. Is it also paper? This one paper, but except a bit tape, but no issue. Today I make a video because it's so interesting. I ordered from Made and Cool, and the cup is so interesting. Is it hard plastic? Even we finish bubble tea, we can keep it and put water, cool water, hot water, even hot water we can put, and we can use it long time. Is it so interesting for me? It's good idea. We can reuse the plastic. Okay, see you. Don't forget Made and Cool. They have nice beverage.